All right, boys and girls, for today, September 17th, your science lesson is in Google Classroom under September 17th, and I want you to click on Science Fusion, Ask a Roller Coaster Designer. Be sure to click on your name and open with Cami. Okay, this is a fun assignment about becoming a roller coaster designer. A roller coaster designer is a type of engineer that designs roller coasters for people's enjoyment. And there's a lot that goes into being a roller coaster designer, as you will learn. So in this assignment, whenever it comes up, I would like you to read the first page about becoming or being a roller coaster designer and what's involved in designing a roller coaster. And then on the second page, you will have a place where you're going to do a drawing where you're going to draw your own roller coaster, however you might want to have it. Maybe you want some loop-de-loops in it or some spirals, or maybe your roller coaster goes straight up and then straight down, or maybe it goes down under the ground, or maybe your roller coaster goes up in the clouds. Okay, so I want you to be very innovative and design your own roller coaster here and draw it right here. And then down on these lines, explain your design. Okay, what did you use? Did it go up in the clouds? Did it go under the ground? Did you have loop-de-loops? Is your roller coaster made out of wood, or is it made out of metal? Or is it some futuristic kind of metal? So when you're done, be sure to submit that to your teacher. Now, once you're done with the roller coaster assignment, you will have another one in Google Classroom. And it is in September 17th, right here. And it should say, create a tech word collage using word art. Click on that assignment, and then you will click on wordart.com. Now, this is a really, really fun website. In fact, we just did it in class last week. And when you get to wordart.com, click on the green button that says Create Now. I'm going to show you some really, really cool things that you can do with this. All right, now when it comes up, it's kind of boring to look at it first and maybe a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you a way to do it. Now, this blue bar right here, do not type or write anything in this blue bar right here. Okay, that may mess up your list. But your assignment is to list 5 to 10 things you use technology for in your daily life. Okay, so I want to list 5 to 10 things that I use technology for. So I'm going to click on these white boxes only. Do not click or type in the blue box. Only click on there. Now, you don't want the word there, so we're going to delete that. And let's see. I use technology to for my lights in my room, okay, in my house. And then you can just hit enter when you're done. And we don't want cloud there. They put that there as a sample. Let's see, what else do I use technology for? Oh, I use technology to clean, like vacuum cleaners. And even the pump on a spray bottle I use to clean. Then I'm going to hit enter. What else do I use technology for? Oh, a good one is I use technology to learn new things. Okay, now I want you to list 5 to 10, but I'm going to stop there because I don't want to give you too many ideas. But you would just hit enter to start a new one, and then you hit enter again, and you would start a new line every time. After you list something, you always hit enter. Okay, now this is when the cool part begins. After you've made your list, down here you can click on the shapes button, and you can look for different shapes. Now we're talking about technology. So I might look, transportation is a good one for technology, but I think I'm going to look in the school category. Okay, is there anything with technology here? Not too great. Let's see, maybe, geometric. Okay, I could use geometric. I think I might go, let's try transportation. Transportation is actually a really good form of technology. That's not a bad one to do. I think I will do that. I think I'll do this green car right here. That one looks kind of fun. Okay, so I've clicked on that. Once you click on it, you can highlight it. And this button too, I can actually click on that little button and I can change the color of my car. Let's see. I actually kind of like it the way it is though. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Let's try that one. I'll do that. Oh, I got cool looking wheels. Let's see, and I can change my windows. Maybe I'll do like a golden color from, oh, and I can change the car color too. Well, red, yeah. Okay, my wheels look weird. Those need to be black. Okay. Ah, that looks good. All right, so then I hit, okay. All right, now I have my car right here. And then, see, it's highlighted in blue, so you know it's good. Then I can change the font on the words that I listed. And let's see, I'm doing technology. So I kind of want to find some kind of font that looks like technology. That one's kind of cool. Gunplay. I like that one. Or let's see, is there another one? Ooh, that's a good technology one. So is that one. Oh, typewriter. That's really good for technology. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And then after that, I'm going to click this big red button right here. It's called Visualize. And check this out. This is pretty cool. Okay, it's coming. All right, there we go. So now I've only listed 3. You will list 5 to 10. However, if I hover over this, it is all the words that I typed, even little bitty words. Okay, but it changes the color and it changes the design. And the neat thing is you click this button and you can print it out and you have your own word cloud or word collage that you can hang on your wall in your room and impress your friends. I think it's pretty awesome. So let's say I decided, I don't like that font so much. So I can just go back here and I can find a different one. Let's see. I want another technology one. I kind of like that one. Okay, I'll click that. And then I'm going to hit visualize again. And it takes a moment to visualize. Okay, almost there. Ooh, yeah, that's cool. I can read that really easily and it looks very good like technology to me. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Now there's some other things you can do. If you click out this layout button, you can do words that are, right now my words are all horizontal, but I can change the direction of my words. I can do vertical. I've never tried dancing words. You can try that. I don't know what that does. And then also style. So I can change the color emphasis, the background color of my car if I wanted to. I could put a background image in there. And I usually don't really mess too much with the style. The only thing I do are the words, the shapes, and the fonts. And that makes it really fun. So do this project. You can even share it with your teacher right here if you click share and then do email. And your teacher's email is their last name, first initial, at harmonyisd.net. So if you'd like to share it with them so they can see that, they would love that. So this is a really fun project and I hope you have a good time doing it.